Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I have my desk a mess because I'm prepping for another video, but I wanted to do a really quick flip through of A Study in Pink. This is my next journal that I'm going to start. I wanted to do a traveler's notebook style. And so I have printed this particular page out in 3 different sizes. So when I originally was testing these designs, I always print them out. Well, because I got a new laptop, it defaulted to having the white line and not printing borderless. I'm going to go ahead and use those because I don't want to waste them. But I fixed that feature and I did print one out on borderless. This one is fit to page, and I think I may use this for the cover. And then this is how it looks with the border. So, yeah, really love this. So this is A Study in Pink. It's got roses. It's got whatever these flowers are. I don't know the names of the flowers because I'm not good. They look like carnations, or I don't know. If you know what they are, let me know. But this is a traveler's notebook kit. And if I remember correctly, there are 16 journal pages, 12 fussy cut and tear pages, and then 6 full-size background pages. So I'm just going to go through those with you. There are some daisy-like flowers in here, and you know, there has to be butterflies. These look like chamomile to me, which is in the daisy family. Well, they say all chamomile is daisy, but not all daisies are chamomile. Alright, so, and I did go with a watercolor kind of feel. The grungy, I really like the grungy nature of that. Also, just let me interject this really quick. This is my birthday week. My birthday is next Friday, a week from today. So I started yesterday posting freebies to my Ko-fi. The link will be in the description box. So if you would like to grab that, it's going to be just a mini kit, just background pages, no ephemera or anything like that, and it's called A Study in Seafoam. So it's not a seascape or anything, that's just the color. My husband makes fun of me because I don't like to call colors red, blue, green. I call them something else, so Seafoam it is. But anyway, you can grab that in my Ko-fi shop. But these backgrounds are fun, and I am going to coffee dye this kit before I use it because I like the texture. Not coffee dye, I think I'm probably going to tea dye. So there's nothing on the back, but you could easily print one of the backgrounds or something on the back. This one has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has very, very faint lines. And then I kind of like these pages that are, you know, split up. You can say a little quote, you know, tell something short. Not every page needs to be a novel like this one. So, yeah, I like this one too. A little butterfly at the bottom. So this was a lot of fun to put together. The pages go relatively quickly. It's the ephemera that takes me longer, but I will get this all tea dyed and cut out. I will tea dye it first and then cut it out because then I'll have coffee dyed strips or tea dyed strips to use for something else. These are the background, full-size background pages. Very, very similar to what I like the damask. So, and I know some people say damask, but I always remember that it sounds more like cussing if you want to say it correctly. It sounds more like swearing. So, yes, in design school, they taught us how to say, you know, instead of mauve as a pink, it's mauve. So, you know, it's tomato, right? Okay. This is one of my favorite pages. I really like it. It's almost like the roses are on a pink fluffy cloud. So here's these are, you could use these as journal pages if you wanted to, but I like to use them as fuzzy tears, and I'll just use my ruler to cut those out. I'll probably use my hole punch to punch that out. But you don't even have to use these, excuse me, as journal spots. You could use any kind of punch and punch tags or what have you. You do whatever works for you. So yeah, there's fussy cuts here and here. But I like the raggedy edges for tearing. I just like it. Plus it takes a lot more ink that way. So this is a lot of fun. I really like this. And I realized that was so white. A lot of times what you see on the monitor is not what prints out. That's why I like to print out the samples. But so these are, you know, you can cut this out straight if you don't like the jaggedy edges. That's fine. If you don't like the holes, you could cover them with a little tag or a tab or piece of lace or something. You don't have to keep them the way that I have designed them. So here's another fussy tear page. These are great pocket stuffers. Here's another sheet of tags. I was looking for some different shape tags. So, and this one actually, I did print my ephemera on borderless. Usually I don't. So this one did cut the other edges for me already. And then here we have some 3x6 tags with a little strip here. Here are the pockets. I love this. I don't know, it's very ethereal. I like it. So I hope you guys like it too, and will use it to make something special. This was my study in pink. This is my last fussy cut page. I really like these. I'm going to use these for some paper clips, and well, not all of them, but I did last time. I made the little pocket with the small tags in there. These are versatile. You can cut the flower out if you want, or you can use them square. It's completely up to you, however you want to do that. So there we go. That is a study in pink, and that is already in my Etsy store. It's all one kit, 5 downloads. It was really tricky trying to organize them because Etsy has a limit, and I haven't figured out how to do the off-site downloads yet. I'm looking into that, but for right now I was actually able to get this entire kit into 5 downloads. So I think you'll enjoy this one. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.